If you are a working professional in today's age, I feel like you have to have some kind of understanding of Microsoft products just because you're exposed to everything. You have documents, you have spreadsheets, you have PowerPoint slide presentations, right? So you really want to have a good understanding. I've had this book for about 2 years now, and I find myself referring back to it all the time. I would say my heavy hitters are going to be the Excel section, but also Microsoft Word, just because I do a lot of formatting, and this helps a lot with that. So you can see there is a really good table of contents. So depending on the application that you're specifically interested in, it gives you page numbers so you can find that easily. So I go back and again, I refer to this for formula help and different things that I'm looking for. I also really like it because it gives you information on how to organize your data, how to format your data, but also how, like, tips and tricks on how to make your data look better and your presentations look better. So I really appreciate that. It's a very easy read. I feel like it's only 258 pages, so it's a little bit longer than that, but this actually is really easy to get through. I know when I first got it, I did read it cover to cover just because I wanted to make sure that I was, engaging with the content and that I knew what was in the book so that I could come back and refer to it later on. But again, you do have some pictures in here, which in most cases with stuff like this, that's technical. I feel like a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? So that's going to be really helpful, again, for you to just kind of remember what's going on, and then you can always refer back to it in the future as needed. Here's another image here. So it makes it really easy for you to identify what exactly you're looking for with the table of contents, and then easy to walk through exactly how to find what you're looking for. So I really, really like this book. Definitely recommend if you're looking to be a little more savvy with Microsoft.